Alright guys, video of the day, camcorder systems here. What I'm using right now is Sony Handycam. Got that last year. They're using back in the 80s, 1986. There's just so these big ass things. They were walking in the thrift store with those slapped on their shoulder like, nobody gonna recognize me here. But it's where your battery goes, right on the back, slaps on there. Ain't got a charger for it, but that's where your power would plug in. Got a cool little leather piece here on the side. It was even accented with leather, guys. Check that out. Oh yeah. Autofocus, video zoom lens. Oh yeah. It's a badass little camcorder here. VHS style. Got some digital keypads on there. Look at that. Look at that freaking keypad. You go around here. RCA VHS camcorder. Plug in your headphones and shit probably. Zoom. Oh yeah. Some of them, this one's got a big ass mic that straps on it. Big ass mic system. Big ass mic with a lens. Got some audio video cables and shit. Hookups for your TV. Still got the RCA strap in the package. Still got the strap in the package. I got it for free at a garage sale. Oh yeah. It's pretty cool. Model number CMR 300. Oh yeah, badass RCA camcorder right there. This thing unattaches, you just unscrew it and pull it up, I guess, somehow, and it slides back and you can undo that handle. Big ass batteries, man. Wow. Camcorder battery. And we got this one, same exact thing. Same exact thing. Got the leather over there on the side. Bunch of freaking buttons. Got the autofocus. And we got this other beast here. Those two RCA cameras right there. Got the cases for them out in the garage, but got this Panasonic. Got the thing up here you can look in with the microphone. Free. Battery goes, slides in the back on this one. It's pretty cool. It's like a tape or something. It's battery pack right there. Omni movie VHS. Look at all the buttons this beast has got, eh? Gotta get that 6x zoom on her. Gotta get that extra zoom out of her, all these buttons. Look at that. Backlight, fade, focus. Bunch of shit. Had like a pistol gripper. Pistol grip camcorder. Look at that, guys. It's like a rocket launcher or some shit. Panasonic rocket launching video recorder. Look at that. Here's some accessories for it. Got another microphone there. Another little adapter. Got a Bulls jersey, number 23, Michael Jordan. Got me this Batman thing too. It's a Dark Knight, Dark Berry, only in theaters for limited times. Oh yeah, I got the Batman freaking thing. I don't know if I showed that before. That's a map of Lake Huron, all the shipwrecks. Look at all the shipwrecks, eh? Freaking rights there is. Then I got this Batman car here. It's pretty cool. Hot Wheel of the Week. Batman. Batmobile, it's blue. Oh yeah. Get a good shot of it. So shiny you can't even get a good shot of her. Didn't even get a good shot of my Ken block car last time. Look at that. That's got the block on the side with the DC on it. It was in my video. Dude was getting his picture taken with this car. I think he might have had a white one. There's two different versions. White and black. There's a white car and a black car. A lot of detail in that. Got the little American flag there. Ford symbol. I've seen them on the internet missing tires and everything. Yep, that's what we got there, them Hot Wheels. And then I got me a couple license plates. Seen one Pug Life got these sent to him before. A couple more cool YouTubers I found was Angry Grandpa and TJ and Friends. Guys, go check them out. Some funny ass shit over there. Type it in on the internet, TJ and Friends and the Angry Grandpa Show. Yep, that's about all I got today. A couple license plates and Hot Wheels cars and a Michael Jordan jersey. Check that beast out and then I'm out. It's Nike Jordan jersey. Boom, Jordan 23. Oh yeah.